Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today I am talking Black Friday. I know it's only Monday, however Black Friday nowadays starts really early. Loads of brands have loads of discounts going up. Some of them have had them from basically at the start of the month. I have my laptop here. I'm going to kind of go through them. I'll be sharing parts of my screen with you. I have some products to talk about that I've been sent kindly. Basically just going to kind of give you my highlights, where I think you should be looking. Before I get started, I will just point out that obviously if you don't need the item and it's kind of just a waste of your money, you're not getting a bargain, you're just kind of being sucked in. So I just want to remind you to kind of question whether you really need the item that you're buying. For me, I think Black Friday is great, in particular if you are buying items that you've wanted for a long time but haven't been able to afford, or you're buying Christmas presents. For me, Black Friday is just for Christmas presents pretty much. I might buy myself, I don't know, maybe a pair of jeans or something like that, but nothing exciting. I don't know, I might do a Black Friday haul. We'll see what I buy, but I think largely gifts. I'm gonna go through largely fashion and beauty. Currently at the moment, beauty is probably where it's at. I think fashion, it's a little bit different I guess, because like websites will do like a certain % off their entire website, whereas with beauty you'll get really great bundles for great prices. It's a very casual video, but I really hope you enjoy it. So I'm gonna put my laptop on my lap because it just makes more sense than me leaning all the way over there. First place I'm gonna talk about is Monica Vinader. I love Monica Vinader. Last year for Black Friday, Monica Vinader did send me quite a lot of jewellery pieces. I therefore have loads which I wear every single day pretty much, and if you are after some good quality, relatively affordable jewellery, then Monica Vinader is just the place to go in my opinion. I'll quickly show you what I've got on and what I pretty much wear every single day. That is Monica Vinader, and that is these hoop earrings. I love them. They're large hoops, but actually in reality they're quite small. I do really like them. Something I get so many questions about is this disc necklace. The chain and the disc are both Monica Vinader. Love them. They come with like an adjustable chain as well. This is the large pendant, and I think this is the shorter chain. I'm not sure. I will measure the chain. I will link it down below. Then I have this ring here which is adjustable, and then these two are also Monica Vinader. I really do like this green one, and then this one has like a flat edge which also goes with this bracelet. I actually don't wear this bracelet quite as much just because I find that necklaces and rings just make more of a statement than bracelets, so I don't wear bracelets quite as much, but love these. Currently Monica Vinader has 25% off everything. I don't know if this will increase. It's possible that it does, but equally it's possible that some things will sell out. Monica Vinader also offers, I think it's like 5 years warranty or something like that, so it's great. For example, I'm not gonna lie, this chain here isn't, in my opinion, as gold as it once was. Everything else is pretty much perfect, but the chain itself, I think it hasn't worn as well as everything else that I've worn. So I'm actually going to try and return this, and I think there'll be no issue with doing that. But Monica Vinader, 25% off at the moment. Just a lovely brand, and definitely a great place to start. They also have these Nora small pearl pendants which you can put on a huggy earring, which is probably what would be top of my wish list for Black Friday. And actually I am tempted to ask them for Christmas. I'm kind of just thinking about it. I probably will decide by the end of the week whether to ask them for Christmas or not. Being got places like ASOS which are doing a Black Friday warm up, honestly I would skip that for now, come back to it in a couple of days. You'll probably get much better deals because they're warming up, they're telling you something better is coming. I'm going to try and whiz through fashion somewhat because I think they're not as like specific. So New Look currently today have coats on 25% off. I think what they're going to do is every day they'll change. Maybe tomorrow they could do, this is just an example, they could do shoes for example, but I think they probably will have 25% off. They may have a better discount on Black Friday, but if I'm completely honest, I'm not sure about that. Topshop are currently doing a Black Friday countdown, which again, in my opinion, leads me to believe that on Black Friday they'll have much better discounts than they do now. So again, I would skip Topshop, come back to it in a couple of days when it's a little bit better. Obviously you run the risk of something being sold out, so just keep an eye on that and just bear that in mind. Mango have up to 50% off thousands of items, so definitely worth looking into. And quite a lot of the fast fashion brands, so for example Missguided has 35% off everything. And actually I saw this really nice coat on Sophie Milner, which is a leather jacket, and I don't really like leather jackets at the moment. I have some but I don't really wear them, and I think maybe I just don't have the right one, but Sophie Milner swears by this one and it looks beautiful on her, so that's probably one of the items that I might buy. I'm a little bit unsure. I might order it and see what I think. Boohoo, 30% off everything. In the style, up to 50% off everything, which is great. Shein, up to 80%. Nasty Gal, Miss Pap also doing discounts, but there are some luxury brands doing discounts as well. For example, Selfridges has 20% off. You choose a code for that, but great. Net-a-Porter has up to 50% off items, but that's off items that they've marked down. I don't think it's across their whole site. Again, this could change, but I'm unsure. The Outnet are 25% off their entire site, but only via the app. So if you do want something off the Outnet, it's definitely worth downloading their app for that. Before we go on to beauty though, I just wanted to point out a smaller brand which I absolutely love, which I rave about every single year, but that's Sabrina. They are offering 30% off early access. I'll leave that link down below with a code because I think there's a code needed. A really great place to go if you're looking to support smaller businesses this year. On to beauty, and in my opinion, this is kind of where there is a lot of savings to be made, way more than in fashion, or just better deals, not necessarily better savings but better deals. So as a percentage you typically get more off in beauty than you do in fashion, especially if you're getting like good gift sets for a discounted price. But we'll start with MAC. MAC is currently offering 20% off, which is great. For me, MAC is where I go to for lipsticks. Actually, I really like their eyeshadows. Generally, everything is good, apart from, in my opinion, their foundation. In my opinion, their god tier product is their lipsticks. I personally just love them. GHD have 20% off. I actually just curled my hair. Do I have them to hand? I just curled my hair with my GHD hair tong. I'm not sure if it's hot. This is the... I'm unsure what this is called. I think this is called... I don't know. I'm going to link this down below. These are expensive, but this is my absolute favourite. I swear by it. I think if it broke, I really do think I'd buy another one. I also use a GHD blow dryer. If you are after a new blow dryer, especially if you're considering shelling out for the Dyson one, I would definitely consider the GHD one. I personally absolutely love it, and I have friends who have also said that they prefer the GHD one to the Dyson one. I haven't tried the Dyson one. I can't really comment on that, but it's definitely worth considering the GHD one. Again, they're currently 20% off. Elemis is offering 30% off with their code Spectacular. I mean, Elemis just does such beautiful skincare. Elemis is probably one of my favourite skincare brands. If I were to recommend a couple of products, it would definitely be their cleanser. I think their cleanser is beautiful, and then I really like their Pro Collagen cream as well. Those are my two standout products from Elemis, and 30% off is actually quite good in my opinion. So Charlotte Tilbury is offering up to 30% off in their Black Friday sale. For example, you can get 2 lipsticks for £40, which is down from £50, which is still a £10 saving, which is great in my opinion. And I just love Charlotte Tilbury. Again, for me, the highlights are probably lipsticks. I really like their quads. I must admit I haven't really been using them recently, but I love their quads, their eyeshadow quads. The only products I don't really love from Charlotte Tilbury is she has one foundation which I don't love, and that is the Airbrush Flawless. But everything else that I've ever used I have loved. Great to see a discount there. If you're looking to buy like multiple brands and you would rather do that from a site that sells multiple brands, you've got quite a few options. So for example, Boots has got some good discounts, but we're going to come on to them in a little bit. Both Beauty Bay and Look Fantastic both have 30% off, and FEELUNIQUE says they have up to 33% off, and they're doing 3 for 2s daily deals. And I think with daily deals you really need to just keep an eye on it to see if there's something that you absolutely love that you want to repurchase. But for example, FEELUNIQUE's only doing 25% off Elemis, so if you're buying quite a lot of things in particular, then it's probably better to go over to the Elemis website. So just have a look around, see where you can find the best deals. Other brands which I love and are doing good discounts are Bobbi Brown's doing 20%. I think if I were to buy any product right now from Bobbi Brown, it would be their Smoky Mascara. It's beautiful. This Works is doing 25% off their website, and then my pick from there would be the pillow spray. I just love it. It's really, really beautiful. And Sarah Chapman Skin Assist, she has some really great gift sets with discounted prices. For example, the at-home facial set is worth over £100 and she's got it up for £70, so there's a great little bargain to be had there. Okay, we're gonna go on to some items that I have to hand that I'd quite like to talk about. If you are looking for affordable fragrance, then I have 2 suggestions which I personally really, really do like. They're both a little bit younger, they're both a little bit sweeter, a little bit funner, but they're beautiful. So Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy is currently 50% off at Boots, which is such a bargain. I'll show you what the bottle looks like because it is beautiful. I've actually doused myself in this today because it's just such a happy smell in my opinion. Britney Spears is 50% off at Superdrug. This is such an affordable perfume anyway, and with 50% off it's just even more affordable, which is great. One of my all-time favourite brands is Elizabeth Arden because I just swear by a hour cream. My entire family loves it. It is fabulous, and they're offering 25% off their website. Urban Decay is doing 30% off their website. However, they're doing 40% off palettes and 40% off mascaras, which is great. In particular, I love an Urban Decay palette. Like, I can't lie, I get so excited over them. They have quite a few newer releases, and of course they have the classic naked palette. As always, Boots has great offers for Black Friday. For example, this one is a great little gift set for men. It's only £8 off, which I know isn't the best saving ever, but this is their shower and shave collection, which I personally really like. It's in kind of like a stereotypically more manly packaging. Kind of looks like this inside, and inside you have after shaving moisturizer, a shaving cream, and a body wash, and this is £32 down from £40. But although it's not the best saving ever, I still think this is a great little set. A really great saving, however, is from Soap and Glory. This is the Scent from Around the World collection. This was originally £42, it's down to £20, making it better than half price. You get £22 off. I think this is a lovely set, and inside are some of my all-time favourite bath products. There's a body wash, a body butter, and there's Smoothie Star Breakfast Scrub, which is hands down my favourite scrub. There is Hand Food, which is one of my all-time favourite hand cream, and Bubble in Paradise just smells incredible. So very excited about this, and just would make a beautiful gift in my opinion. But they also have some great number 7 discounts. For example, this is insane, I hadn't even seen this previously. They've got a number 7 Everyday Essential Bundle, which is worth £82, but they've got it up for £30, so it's a saving of £52. I did also spot, if you guys are after the number 7 mirror, which I know is a popular one, they've got it up for just £20, and the original price is £50, so that's such a bargain. But the thing I'm going to finish with is this little set from Origins, because this is £55, but it's worth £121, which is just again a great saving. It's actually a saving of 55%. You get a soothing treatment lotion, a high potency night and min's resurfacing cream with AHAs. I'm actually really excited to use that product. There is a ginseng moisturizer, which is just one of the cult products from Origins in my opinion. A little ginseng eye cream, but obviously is eye cream, you only need a little bit for your under eye area. Origins Cheeks and Balances face wash, a Origins Drink Up 10-minute hydrating mask with apricot and glacier water, Plantscription anti-aging power serum. Great little bundle, great gift for anyone that loves skincare, and I think this would work for both a man and a woman, and definitely one to add to your wish list if you are a skincare junkie. But that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was enjoyable and I hope it was helpful. It's quite hard to kind of like film these sort of videos, but I do quite enjoy them as well because I love searching for like the best deals. I'm hoping to get a blog post up within the next couple of days with the best deals, so definitely keep an eye out for that, and I will link it down below. And also head over to my Instagram, where I'm going to be sharing the top deals or items that I personally really want as well, so keep an eye out for that. All the links are down below, all the codes are down below as well if they require codes. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon, because I'm starting my gift guide soon, and on Friday I'll be back with some more Black Friday offers. Bye.